One Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside though. He can't talk say for this Imo State election. He say make everybody no put body. No be that one self. He say for Okigwe State to Okigwe don't become state as we dey talk now for inside Biafra government in exile. Okigwe and Olu State and Owerri State. He say anybody wey put body, he say he go collect. Omo no be small thing. This film wey they want on for us, be like say e go too long go, and we are ready to watch it as well. Move, go ahead, go look how they talk this thing and how they happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Okay my people, I beg, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, may you try go subscribe and also follow our Facebook page, our TikTok. We dey everywhere, they bring her back to back as they hot. Okay my people, I say one Biafra Liberation Army come outside. He thought say they are very serious for wetin they do, and there is no going back. The only solution to this is to give them Biafra. So I'm going to play you the video how they talk this thing. Then before we come back and continue, stay tuned and watch the video.
To street in these three states formerly known as Imo State, our ancestors are going to do touring. If you are found outside, you are a dead person. If you are found outside, you are a dead person. If you are found outside, you are the dead person. I will not talk more than this. 9, 10, 11, 12 of November 2023 is totally locked down. 6 to 6 ghost town in this very three states of Biafra: Olu State, Okigwe State, Imo State, formerly known as Owerri State, formerly known as Imo State. If you love your life, stay inside your house. Save your life. If you hate your life, come outside and see what will happen to you. And anything that will happen to you, your blood will be upon yourself, because we are your watchmen, and we have warned you of the danger ahead of you. If hope they very serious to conduct election in Biafra land, tell hope to bring his family. Tell Hope to bring his family down to Imo State to vote. You understand me? Tell Hope to bring down his family to Imo State so that they will vote for Hope. Let Hope sacrifice his family for his election. If you fully come, you will not know how we are going to appear. And if you collect, you are on your own. Somebody should tell this idiot called Rising Sun that I don't have in time. After this broadcast, I will find way to block the idiot, because I don't entertain Fulani blood in my page. This is Fulani blood coming to my page to talk garbage. I don't have your time. Once I finish this broadcast, I'm going to block you. So, share this message and let it go viral. Tell your brother, your sister, your relative that there will be no election in Biafra land. There will be no election in Biafra land. There will be no election in any source of Biafra, which these three states are deeply involved. Olu State, Owerri State, my Imo Okigwe State, formerly known as. Stay in your house and save your life. Come outside and lose your life. You have yourself to blame. If you die, your blood will be required in your hand. Reason is because you were warned on time. That is only what I come this evening to tell you. He who have the ear to hear, let him hear what the Holy Spirit of Biafra is saying. But he who does not have any ear to hear, let him go on and come out to use his life or our life to do experiment. Come and use your life and do experiment. Anything you see, maybe the people around you might give the testimony. Somebody somewhere will always say, I've warned him not to go out. So that is it. Good people of Biafra, there was news that was flying today. Nigeria is known as those that love to carry fake news. When some idiot came out to say that our PM was arrested.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know say our work na to dey bring you information, your own na to decide wetin you go do. And remember how we dey do am for here. Sometimes we go bring some information, we go allow you to leave your own contribution. Anything wey you think for this video, abeg may you leave am for comment section, may we dey go. Now so if you go talk about am for inside comment section and share the video as well, so that people wey dey interested to know wetin dey go on go still know wetin dey go on. Very very important. And if you know say you never follow this page or you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, I no know wetin you dey wait to, no be small thing. So the information wey we dey get now for Imo State now be say they dey share palliative in order way for them to vote for Hope Uzodinma, which is sitting governors with the talk now. And this thing, how it be fair election. Now every time when they want to do election, now they remember our people them. They go, they carry one or two things they give them to buy their mind. But our people need to wake up, because this one no be freedom. Now they enter. Now they enter because money where they take by that thing where they give you, they will still collect them back. Now politics. Now who know, now you know. But however, we no jump into another matter. We know you don't hear wetin this Biafra Liberation Army can't talk. And anything will be your own contribution, may you still leave them for comment section. Then they read them as well. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot.